One of the hardest thing about filming is that when you try to set everything up and you forgot to plug in this wireless thing. So I was talking to the camera earlier and I didn't know there was nothing recording my audio. Fuck my shit. I'm gonna go back there and redo the video again. This sucks, man. Hey guys, how are you going? So, yeah, I'm out here deep in the woods. Well, it's not really that deep in the woods. As you can see, there's a car who's going to pass by. I doubt if you can hear the sound of it. The road is just there. There's a gravel road there. But yeah, we're here in the woods in Mount Dandenong, and yeah, I'm out here just taking photos, vlogging, talking to you, and everything else. Just want to say how you going, guy. As for me, I'm not doing well. I'm not really in a good headspace for the past few months. I think when August started, it was way worse than ever for me. And there's another car that's passing. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's distracting me. But anyway, yeah. So it's been a bad season for me. As you all know, I'm doing masters, and when I started to do this semester, we went on lockdown, which is so crappy and so bad. And yeah, also we went on lockdown. We were on lockdown for a Delta virus outbreak. We got it to zero, then we got back to a higher number. Right now we're still in lockdown. It's been like almost 2 months and a half. Let me see. It's like 2 months or more. But yeah, so it's been tough for us because we have around 5 kilometer radius for our lockdown. At the same time, we also have a curfew. We have to be home at around 10 p.m. That sucks. Good thing that right now we are allowed around 10 kilometers, so I'm able to come here. And by tomorrow, which is September 30th, we are allowed 15 kilometers. It's not the best, but I'll take it. So, yep, I'm out here just trying to freshen up my mind and do some photos. And I'm afraid I'm gonna fall here anytime soon. But yeah, I just came to check one of the best places I love in this area. The sad thing is, yeah, we've been having these storms and this bad weather, windy weathers, and one of my favorite trees, which is this one, just fell. Poor thing, uprooted. Yeah. So even though I feel sad for a tree, coming out here makes me happy, and yeah, makes me happy. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is that if you guys are in a bad day, well, I mean, let's say that's the grammar sucks. If you're in a bad situation, your mental health is not good, you're sad, just go out and do whatever you always do, or whatever makes you happy. And for me, it's coming out here and hiking. So yeah, if you're able to do that, then that will be best if you're allowed to. Also, the thing is, we're only allowed an hour of exercise previously, but now we're allowed to mingle with other people, and we're allowed to stay outside for a longer time, which is what I'm doing now. So, but in saying that, if you're not happy with, you're not into hiking just like me, you can just do other stuffs. It's best that whatever makes you happy, you try to do it. And if you're in a rut, you're not in the good headspace, you can try to talk to people. Talk to your loved ones, talk to your friends, talk to your friends. Sorry, the wind's getting cold, it's distracting me. But yeah, if you have people that you can talk to, just go to them, talk to them. And yeah, because we here, everybody wants to help you, everyone wants to take care of you. We would all want to get out of this pandemic and make sure that we're in a good headspace. So bring up anything that you have in mind that's bugging you. Tell people, ask for help. Other than that, if somebody asks for help to you, lend that hand, talk to that person. It's the least thing you can do. Anyway, it's getting dark, and this is actually the third time I've filmed this because the first time I forgot to check the audio. So if you're filming yourself and the camera's too far away, please check the audio head because you might not be recording the audio just like I did. I hope I did record it this time. Anyway, gotta go. I'm gonna try to get some photos and everything else. I have my A7C here, which I use for vlogging, but today's a special day. I'm using the FX3 with a 50mm 1.2. I have a small camera here with me for photos. Other than that, see you around. I'm just gonna try to vlog, or no, take photos and check if I did get the audio. So yeah. Now how do I get out of this? This is the third time and it still sucks. Okay, I'm gonna jump now.